Autumn is special for its transitional nature, marked by cooler temperatures, shorter days, and the vibrant, colorful change of leaves on deciduous trees. The deciduous trees display a spectacular show of colors: reds, oranges, yellows, and browns, before shedding their leaves to conserve energy for winter. This is partly due to the trees producing anthocyanin to protect themselves from sun damage and cold. Autumn symbolizes change and transition, as it bridges the gap between summer's vibrancy and winter's quiet rests. It carries symbolic meanings of both decay and abundance, representing a time of letting go while also celebrating the bounty of the harvests. The changing leaves are undoubtedly one of the most striking aspects of autumn. Trees adorned with vibrant colors create a breathtaking sight, turning ordinary landscapes into captivating paintings. The forests become a kaleidoscope of hues, from fiery reds to brilliant golds, creating a visual symphony. Autumn is particularly special because it's a time of reflection. The changing season reminds me of the beauty in letting go and slowing down, just like the trees shedding their leaves. Spending time outside can help reduce anxiety, boost your mood, and even improve your focus. Just a simple walk among the trees or sitting quietly watching the colorful changes in nature can do wonders for mental clarity. It's a great way to disconnect from screens and reconnect with yourself and others. A kind of moment that you share to yourself where time seems to slip away and you leave feeling lighter and refreshed. So whether you're out for a brisk walk in the woods or enjoying a slower, more mindful moment around the fire pit, autumn has a way of nourishing both body and soul. The simple act of being outside, soaking up the beauty of the changing season, is a gentle reminder to take a breath, enjoy the present moment, and take care of ourselves. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched, to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!